And don't forget to install the O-ring or else you'll have big time leaks. Finally, the top half bolts up. By the way, this trick flow setup is designed for use with factory or aftermarket fuel rails, and it comes with a 90mm throttle body opening.
And the throttle body that makes up to it is this F90 from AccuFab that's machined out of one solid piece of billet aluminum. Now, it's got a location for an IAC, or idle air control, that we'll block off with this plate since we're not using it. It also accepts a forward throttle position sensor that bolts up here. And check this out. The lip has been machined to accept a 4-inch clamshell clamp, so we won't be blowing off any hoses when that turbo starts making boost. Now, since our intake manifold setup is so tall, we're installing this throttle body with the actuator on bottom.
With the 160-pound blue top injectors from Bosch installed in the UPR billet fuel rail, it's ready to go in place on the intake.
Well, let's go ahead and button up the bottom end with our oiling system. We got this high-volume oil pump from an O'Reilly parts store, and we're using it with a Milodon pickup and one of their street strip oil pans with a deep sump, low-profile design. It's also got internal baffling, which should be good for freeing up some horsepower. Because of the increased capacity and ease of change, we're going to use a remote oil filter. So we have to use this adapter kit from Milodon, and the oil filter itself will mount up here, bolt up inside the car. To prevent torsional vibration, we're using an ATI Super Dabber made exclusively for high-performance engines. After knocking the hub onto the crankshaft, we can install the balancer, which has laser-engraved timing marks. While we're up here, the water pump can go on too. It's a Mazir 300 series that flows up to 55 gallons per hour. That's enough for a 2,000 horse Pro Mod motor. What do you think, buddy?
It'll be interesting to see what numbers we pull on the dyno.
Oh, yeah. Well, with this, we got what we need for phase 2 of our turbo shank project. Feast your eyes on this. The guys at Hellion Power Systems hooked us up with a system that includes a Turbonetics 88mm turbocharger, comes with an F189 3.5-inch wheel, and it's in a mid-size frame for lightning-fast spool-up, and can produce up to 50 psi. It's the same setup you see in a lot of pro outlaw race cars. Now, next week here at the shop, with any luck, we'll put it all together, take it to the dyno, and hopefully make 1,000 horsepower or more. Ought to be good.